Since screen readers announce the heading level along with the text, properly tagged headings provide important information about the document hierarchy. In Exstream, your design headings are tagged as regular paragraphs by default. For a screen reader to identify text as a heading, you must manually tag the text in Designer. To tag a heading, select the heading in your design. Right-click and select Text Paragraph Properties. Click the Accessibility tab. From the Read Text As list, select a heading level. The numbered heading tags should be used only for nested headings when a document is designed with a hierarchical heading structure. In all other cases, select the General Heading tag. The correct heading tag will be added in the output.